What's up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So the biggest plus point of having an Android phone is the customization capabilities. You can make your phone look in whatever way you want to. In today's video, I am sharing a simple minimalist home screen setup which looks fresh, clean and clutter free. And no, you don't need to root the phone or unlock bootloader. All you need is a smartphone running Android operating system. So the apps which will be needed for this setup are Nova Launcher, Flat White Icon Pack, any wallpaper app. I'm using Backdrop here. I will link down all these apps in the description section. Now it's not necessary to use these apps only. You can use other launcher and wallpaper app too. Now after downloading, open Backdrop and choose wallpaper as per your preference. Now remove all the apps from the home screen if you have any. Next we need to select the icon pack. Tap and hold and select settings. Now tap on look and feel. Here under icon theme, select Flat White Icon Pack. Now the next step is to add a clock widget. Here I'm using the stock Android one. If you don't have this widget, download any third-party widget apps like KLWP Custom Widget Maker and place it to the home screen. Adjust the size of the clock as per your display size. After that, add few apps to the home screen which you use most often. I am placing telephone, Gmail and YouTube as these were my most frequently used app these days. Now if for some reason the app icon doesn't change to Flat White Icon Pack like here with the telephone app, then simply long press on the icon and tap on edit, select app icon and choose the icon as per your choice. Now lastly we need to remove the text below the icon. For this also just long press the app, tap on edit, under app label, erase the text, hit done and you are good to go. You can also make some changes to the home screen grid and icon size and make it better for your particular device. That's it for this video. Do let me know what you think of this setup. Also do share your home screen setup and make sure to tag me on Twitter. That's been it. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Also, if you have Mi Band 3, then there is a special giveaway for you. Check the link in the description for more info. With that said, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.